Why tweet when you can chat? How to use Twitter Spaces for live conversation with Twitter Spaces, the social network answer to you can ask or join a live audio conversation via the Twitter app on your mobile device. Twitter Space lets you listen to and in live audio conversation on the social network, much like using the Twitter mobile app for iOS or Android. You can start and listen in and speak in a Twitter Space. The goal of Twitter Space is to provide a menu in which you can join and participate in interesting or relevant conversation hosted by public figures, organization, and a regular user of Twitter. You can also host your own Twitter space to and converse directly with flowers and other people. How can you use Twitter space? Let's check it out. Download and install the Twitter app for iOS and Android if you do not already have it. In the Twitter app, tap the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. Twitter Spotlight 1 or 2 current conversation going on right now. Swipe down the screen to the happening section to view all the current live spaces. Tap a specific space that interests you and then tap start listening. You can now hear the audio presentation spoken by the host and other speaker. The screen show the host and host as well as any people as speakers. Tap the guest icon at the button and swipe down the list to see the full name and Twitter handles of the host, CEO, host, speaker, and listener to search for a specific. Tap the search icon at the upper right and start typing the name or handle of the person you seek. Next, you can add an emoji to the conversation to register your reaction. Tap the add icon at the button and choose one of the emoji. Display a caption if you are unable to hear a certain part of the conversation or just would like to see the word displayed on the screen. Tap the icon and select turn on caption. To add a comment to the space, tap the plus icon in the lower left. Tap your response and then tap the tweet button to see comment from other people. Swipe the current comment to the left and keep swiping to see them all one at a time. If the space allow listener to speak, tap the request icon at the button at the next screen. Tap the button for request to speak. You will then be added to the and may be called open to speak if the host choose to do so. You can invite other people to the space. Tap the share icon at the top from the menu. You are able to invite someone via a direct message by copying a link to the space or by sharing it with a specific content or through a specific app or service. Next, you can switch to another task in Twitter or jump back to your home screen and open other app, and the conversation will continue to play in the background. If you wish to leave the space, tap the leave link at the top if the space is visible. Otherwise, tap the X button at the bottom of the screen. And checking out the current conversation, you can look at to upcoming space. Browse down the screen to see one's schedule for the near future. Tap the set reminder button for any that interest